Are you finding yourself on a few more conference calls than usual these days? Watch this video for a couple of key tips on some conference call etiquette. Your friends will thank you. Hey everybody, I'm Scott Lawrence, a headshot photographer based here in Detroit, and today I'm actually not filming from my studio. I'm filming from my basement as I'm trying to honor the social distancing requirements set out by our community. So I'm sure you're finding yourself on some extra conference calls these days as we're all trying to work from home where we can. Here's a couple of things to keep in mind to make sure you don't drive anybody else on the call nuts. First, remember to give yourself some extra time to get logged in, especially if it's a new platform that you haven't used before. I'm seeing a lot of these systems are overloaded and pretty busy, so it may take a few minutes to get in. Sometimes the numbers seem to free up right on the hour. Give yourself time, be ready to go, have the websites loaded up, whatever you can do to be prepared to get in right away. Next, remember to mute yourself. You can either mute your phone just by pushing the mute button, or you can mute yourself through the conference system. Usually it's like *6 or something like that, but the conference organizer will give you instructions. This is really important. It helps keep the information clear coming from who's ever speaking, so please mute. Please mute. Turn off your hold music. If you don't have the ability to do this yourself through accessing your phone system, then call in from a cell phone. It's that simple. Hold music is probably more annoying than a screaming kid at this point, so turn off your hold music or call in from your cell phone. Speaking of background music, turn your speakerphone off. Don't use speakerphone. Use headphones, earbuds, the old-fashioned handset. Don't use the speakerphone, because what it's going to do is amplify any background noise in your office or your location to the whole call. Finally, be extra respectful of any government or school officials that may be on the call. They're running around like crazy, jumping from meeting to meeting on very little sleep. Give them the benefit of the doubt. They're doing the best they can to keep us safe, sane, and solvent. I hope those tips help. Something to keep in mind as you plan your week for next week. It's going to be an interesting week. So good luck, stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.